Hello, it's Emmanuel from My Little Cookbook, and today we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite recipes. We have this recipe on our recipes section on the website. We have it on our blog. I've posted it multiple times, and today we're going to make a video on how to make the brunch burger. It's one of my favorite things. I hope you enjoy. We're going to start off by making some pancakes, because pancakes serve as the bread on this burger. So we're going to add in, here's about half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and here we have an egg. Just going to crack that in there. And then we're going to add in, we've got about a teaspoon of salt. Here, we've got about 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Here we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And here we have 1 cup of all-purpose white flour. Just combine all of that. And once you're done stirring it all up, it's going to be pancake batter. Alright, we got about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese in here. You know, you can never have enough cream cheese, so put as much as you dare. We have some raisins. All we're going to do, we're going to take these raisins, put them in the cream cheese. Just make sure I get them all out of this little box. And all we're going to do, stir everything in here together. Doesn't really like to stir. It's cream cheese, but here we go. It's stirring. And if you need more to cover your pancakes, make more. But then all we're gonna do is take a regular old knife, take about half this mixture, and we're gonna spread it right onto our pancake like this. So we're going to do, cover the second pancake. Alright, so now we're going to fry up some bacon and some onions. So I'm just going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. You can add butter, anything to just lubricate the pan. And once it's hot, I'm just going to add in about a 1/4 cup of onions here. Just going to add those in. And in the same pan, we're just going to add about 4 strips of bacon that I just cut in half. I'm just going to add those in. Alright, so here we got a piece of chicken. We're going to coat it on both sides with egg wash. That's just an egg that I cracked into a little container. I'm going to coat it nicely on both sides. And then I'm just going to put it in some breadcrumbs. Coat it nicely on both sides. These are seasoned breadcrumbs, so get a little bit more flavor on them. Coat it evenly in breadcrumbs. Alright, I'm just going to add a little bit of vegetable oil to a hot pan. Let that warm up, and what we're going to do is just fry that chicken up. Do it about 3 minutes on each side, and then we're going to put that chicken on the burger. And I got some maple syrup here and some yellow mustard. We're going to make a maple mustard. Just take some maple syrup, drop it in, yellow mustard. There we go. Mix it up. And we're going to take it over to our sandwich. Just pour it right over the chicken.
Oh yeah.
The recipe calls for red cabbage, but we had some green cabbage, so that's what we're going to use. I'm just going to put some fresh avocado on it, if it'll stay, on our nice little burger here. Here we go. Avocado's on. Let's see if I can put one more piece. Here we go. Put the rest on the side. We're going to take our top pancake. Put this guy right on top of our burger. Everything's falling off, but we'll get it. Bam! Alright. There you guys have it. This is the brunch burger. I'm going to try to slice it in half so we can see how it looks. And then we'll get to eat it. Y'all ready? See if we can open it. There y'all are. The brunch burger. The recipe is on our website, www.mylittlecookbookforyou.com.